How to see friends requests on BeReal. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to see friends requests on BeReal app. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up BeReal on your mobile phone if you have an account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by downloading the app on your Android phone or iOS. Once you get right here on BeReal, we can actually add friends and followers, and different people request us to follow, just like on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. So where to find these requests? Well, you can see on our BeReal, we have this profile at the top right corner, and then on the left corner of our screen, we see this add friend option. You have to click on this one, and it will take you to my friends. Here you will be able to find the friends that you have on BeReal, and if you get any request, it will also be shown right here. You can see in our friends section, I do not have any requests right now, but you will be, if you have any, then you will be able to find them right here in the friends section. So it's actually really easy. You can check out a friend request and then approve. They will be added as your friend on BeReal, and you will be able to share the moments with them. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.